Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Binance P2P for buying and selling crypto safely. I just tap on my Binance account and officially logged in. I will just move in my home, which is top left corner, and in the dashboard I will just tap on this more button, and after in recommended the second option is P2P. I just tap on this P2P option, and after inside you will see there is an officially authorized exchanger, so you can buy it from some currencies like USDT or other like Bitcoin, Ethereum. So you will see there is the exchange rate and the arrival time also mention it. And if you want to buy from the recommended authorized exchanger, so you will just tap on this buy button, and you can just tap and select the amount which you want to buy of specific, and there you will see there is some are on blocked, but you will just tap on only this green icon buy. So here you can just you can select the amount and you can just ask it, and it will be arrived in some moment. And if you want to some sale, so another side you will see there is a red icon for sale. There is also exchanger are on it, and some are good rate of exchange of Australian dollar and some are not, so you can also change the currency. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.